how to contact employers through Indeed. Welcome back to a new video on Howgenic, everyone. For whatever reason, if you're trying to contact an employer through Indeed, there is very limited things that you can do. So for example, if you head over to the company review section and pick any company, for example, the only thing that you can do is head over to the Q&A section and then ask in questions. This is the section where you can ask any queries that you might have and see any replies that the company makes. Other than this, you do not have any other sections such as email address or other things that you can find in order to contact them. Now, outside of Indeed, what you can do is open up their website, which will be listed inside of the About section. And normally inside of websites, you will be able to find the Contact Us section. So open up the contact page of any company that you're trying to contact to, and you'll be able to find in phone numbers, email address, as well as chat sections. So if you want to properly contact any company or any employers, you can easily visit the website and then contact them. But in terms for Indeed, there is only limited things that you can do. As I said, you can only head over to the Q&A section and hope you get a response. So that was a quick video about contacting employers inside of Indeed. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.